Follow along as I show you how easy it is to make sure that your strategy never misses a trade on MetaTrader 5. As you probably know, if you watch my channel, I love building algorithmic trading bots. I get a huge amount of joy about being able to undertake the technical analysis that's needed, and I really enjoy making my channel videos. It's so much fun. I love talking to people. I love the feedback that I get. And honestly, I find it to be super interesting. However, a few weeks ago, I was sitting down with some friends and talking about this, and one of them asked me a question which really got me thinking. Her question was, how do these technical indicators actually work? Now, I'm not talking about how do I get a number and make a decision and then, make a trade, not that kind of thing. The question was, how does the technical indicator actually analyze the data and give you an indication of what's going to happen? That really got me thinking, and I wanted to do a deep dive into some of the technical indicators that are used by traders every single day. The episode that you're watching now and the next few episodes on my channel will be about the technical indicators that we use day in, day out, and then some of the strategies that they've given birth to and how to add them, of course, to your auto trading bot. I hope you enjoy the series and let me know if there's any technical indicators that you would like to hear about. I'll see you soon.